What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you this laundry bag that can be used as an organizational basket. So we're going to be using it for toys and or laundry inside and outside. This is a freestanding bag, comes in different colors, different capacities. This one's 15 inches by 15 inches by 31 inches, and we're going to show you how well it stacks up. So stay tuned for the whole video. All right, so if you have an infant or a toddler, you know there's toys absolutely anywhere. So I wanted to go and get a nice inexpensive solution. So I came across these garbage laundry baskets. The great thing is they are made of 600D Oxford material, meaning they are completely waterproof, water resistant. This is actually used for heavy duty tarps for outside patios. So this one obviously has a padded handle here. It looks good. I also wanted something that looks kind of modern and chic, so I could basically stick it in the corner of the room and just kind of move toys away. In addition, because we have a lot of balls, basketballs outside, we wanted to get another solution that we can take this outside. So if I wanted to play soccer or hockey or anything, then we could just take this outside with us. So you definitely want to move it around from the inside out. This one is 15 inches. The bags said that they're about 15 to 17. Let's see if this 15 ball fits. So the bags advertise that they can fit 15 inches, but that's 15 inches. The 15 inches is actually towards the bottom. The top opening is more like 11. All right, so let's start throwing stuff in this. You can see that it's kind of standing. So that's kind of good. We got a balloon here. Let's throw a ball. Start a thicker ball. Okay, so that toppled over, but that's okay because we can just straighten it out. And you can throw pretty much anything and everything in there. And then just grab it to go. Let's see what it looks like in the corner. And just stick it in here. And it looks nice and modern. And when you're ready to go. Now, these handles are so easy to grab, right? Instead of something that you have to lift underneath, or even with two hands. This is nice because you can just grab one, or you can put two hands on and lift it. So definitely happy with this setup. So whether you need space for toys, outdoor stuff, or just laundry, this is definitely something you want to consider.